Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. I know I've been gone for quite some time now. It's been a long time since I posted a video to this channel, and I got a email from YouTube stating that if I didn't post a video that they were going to demonetize me. So here I am back with a video of me cleaning my kids' room and making some changes to the living room. A lot of the content that you're going to see is going to be unfinished because I did finish cleaning the room, but I didn't record the finished product. So stay tuned and see what I've been up to. So we're going to be starting off this video in the kids' bedroom. You're going to see two segments of me cleaning the kids' bedroom, initially in January and then again in February. So that's where you're going to see the change of outfits, and it's going to seem like I'm doing something repetitive, but it's two separate videos. So on this segment, I'm going to be rearranging some of the furniture in the room, taking out some furniture and moving the dresser closer to the window. And then on the next segment, we're gonna also be removing some furniture. In this segment of the video, I was able to clean the room without interruption. I like to clean the kids' room when they're not home. That way they're not going through the toys, trying to see what they can find and take out and put back in the room. I was able to do a really good deep clean and get rid of a lot of things in this part of the video. It's much easier for me when they're not home.
Never could it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time.
Also, in this part of the video, I discovered that the kids had broken the bunk bed. Once I moved the bed around, or moved the bed from against the wall, I discovered that the bed was broken. So once we move into our new place, I'm actually going to be getting rid of this bunk bed. I'm not sure how they broke it, but they did. So we'll be getting rid of this very soon. So as you can see in this next segment, it's almost a month later since I recorded that last video where I cleaned their room, and as you can see, the kids are home. They're going through the toys, trying to see what they can keep just in the way, and this is what I don't like. So this is probably another reason why I wasn't able to finish or showing you guys the finished product because they were interrupting in the way distracted me.
I don't know why you make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with like I'm better off with
So as you see, I'm getting rid of this white cube shelf here. I've had this for a long time, and as you can see, it's very flimsy. So I got rid of that one, and I bought another one from Walmart that was more sturdy and matched the furniture in the bedroom. I believe it's like a dark brown color. It matches the chest, the dresser chest that you see here.
You tell me all the right things left and right. That you say what you wanna say. Time machine 타고 시공간을 넘어. Oh yeah. Diving 점점 내 마음이 너라는 리듬에 춤을 춰. 'Cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through. It's true. 더 가까이 와. Boy there ain't no other way. 나를 정했어 난. Marching to the beat of my own drum here on. Doing what I gotta do. No other frequency. Channel elevate. Oh yeah yeah. 이미 걷잡을 수 없는 느낌도 설레임. Falling hard. 'Cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through. It's true. 더 가까이 와. 'Cause boy you make me feel brand new. Look at me now. I love you through and through. It's true. 더 가까이 와. Oh yeah. 이제 나에게
As I've mentioned in previous videos, the easiest way for me to clean is to put everything in one pile and then sort through that pile later. This typically works when the kids are not home, but you'll see later on as I'm going through the pile, so are the kids picking out things that they want to keep. As you can also see, there's a lot of stuff stored in the kids' beds. It's because they don't actually sleep in their beds. They just use it for playing and storage. Most times they sleep on the couch or in my bed, unfortunately. I'm trying to get them out of the habit as they are 8 and 5, and I like to sleep comfortably at night, and this is becoming a very bad habit. Well, it's already a bad habit, so I'm trying to get them out of my bed and into their own beds, or they can continue to sleep on the couch, just as long as they're not in my bed. Unfortunately, I didn't get a good video of the 8 cube storage rack that I got for the kids, but I got it from Walmart. It's much sturdier than the white one that I had. I believe it was about 70 bucks. And then I store the kids' toys in some storage containers that I got from Walmart and Target. I'll try to link everything below, but it's much easier for them to organize their toys this way. Most times they will organize it the right way, sometimes they don't. So now we're moving on to the living room. Right now you can see that I'm putting up this extended tension rod. I got it off of Amazon. Initially I was going to use the tension rod alone, but it kept falling, so I eventually had to put in the brackets to hold the tension rod up. But I got it from Amazon, and then I also got the curtains from Amazon, and I'm using this to block out the mess that's in the back. And I also got the idea from TikTok to make like a picture gallery wall. So I got the picture frames from Amazon. Everything I actually got was from Amazon. These are like plexiglass, so they don't actually break. I will link everything below. And I got the photos from CVS. CVS always has coupons for their photos, either CVS or Walgreens. This time I used CVS. And I'm gonna put them up on the wall behind me. I printed pictures of each kid from the oldest to the youngest, and I put them in black and white instead of color. I thought it would look better that way. So right now you're just going to see me putting up the pictures on the wall. The brackets that came with the picture frames don't actually work. In the end, I use double-sided sticky tacky tape, I believe, to adhere the pictures to the wall.
About things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes.
The lights I also got from Amazon, but in the end I didn't use them. I actually returned them because you actually need to drill them into the wall. The double-sided tape doesn't work for these. With the double-sided tape, they kept falling off of the wall, and I didn't want to put any holes in the wall, so I just took them down and returned them. But you'll see how nice they look above the pictures in the end.
What I like we know each other, but sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself.
So in this apartment complex, you have the option to get a balcony or extra space. I went with the extra space option. Initially, I used this extra space as my oldest son's sleeping area, but he didn't keep it clean enough, so I ended up moving him out of this area, moving him into the bedroom, and I'm using this as an office space. The kids had some toys here, as you saw in the previous clip, but I moved the kids' toys out, put all the toys in their room, and right now I just use it as an office space. And then with the tension rod thing you saw earlier, I'm able to block this off with the curtains. Sometimes I close it, sometimes I leave it open, depends on how messy it is, but right now it's open as I'm going to rearrange everything in this area. I rearranged the sofa this way earlier in the year, right after Christmas, and I like the way it looked, but it just doesn't function properly with the way the apartment is built, so I end up having to situate it back the way it was initially when I moved into the apartment. There's only a few ways that I can set up the sofa because of the way the cable is set up. If I'm able to move the TV, then I could probably flip the sofa on the wall where the TV is, but unfortunately because of the cable, I cannot. So it's best that the sofa is set up this way. And also because I don't have storage, I have some stuff stored behind the sofa, and if I didn't want to close it with the curtains, the extra storage is being blocked by the sofa. So this is the best way that I can situate it. And that is going to be all for this video. Hopefully I don't go on another long hiatus. I hope to see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.
I don't need this no more. I don't need to stay, finna walk out that door. My mistake giving you love.